Hi guys, in today's video we'll be talking about which toner is best for acne. So personally I like to use this toner. I find that it's the best toner for acne because the ingredients in it. Don't click away just yet. I have a bonus for you near the end of the video, so stay tuned. Hi, I'm Ben from Ben Y Beauty. Here we hope to help you find ways to stay beautiful and healthy. I would love to connect with you, so make sure you add me on these social media, on these platforms, so we can stay connected and I can help you further more with your health and beauty needs. So I personally like this toner for my acne face when I do get a minor breakout around my chin areas. It's because the ingredients in this toner, Nutricentials Hair You Glow Exfoliating Toner. In this toner, I find that the three HAs, AHA, PHA, and BHA are all in this toner, packed with other plants that are adaptogens that has highly antioxidant effects, also adapt to harsh environments like extreme cold or extreme hot or even lack of water. We all know that the skin needs hydration itself. It needs to be moisturized. No matter you give it to it or it has it by itself. But let's say if we're always exposed to harsh cold or harsh heat or harsh AC, our skin is stressing from our time we walk out our home door, front door, or going to work or exiting a car ride. So this natural toner is best for acne is because three HAs that it has. Also, it doesn't dry up my skin with all the HAs. Usually the acids are pretty drying. That's the way how they control the oil. But with this Hair You Glow toner for your acne, it wouldn't dry up your face and it stays hydrated because of those plants. The bioadaptive botanical complex includes Rhodiola, Maral roots, Siberian Ginseng, Chaga mushroom, and resurrection plant. These are the main plants that are in this toner for your acne as well. So these plants keep your face moist and keep away the free radical and the blue light damages. So I love it because of these ingredients that is in this toner for acne. And this best toner also has aloe in it, so it calms the redness from our acne. So this is the best toner I would suggest that has a lot of plants and AHAs, PHAs, and BHAs, the acids to help with your acne, and aloe to calm the redness. So I hope this video helped you understand what is the best acne toner for your skin. I'll put the link below and a QR code here for some discount for you guys to try it out. And if you have any questions, please leave me a comment. I would love to connect with you and help you more with your beauty and health needs. Please subscribe if you haven't. It will help me a lot and we get to see each other more on a weekly basis. And I hope to get to know you more, so comment below or add me on these social medias. Until next time, remember, you're beautiful. See ya.